Good morning, boys and girls. This week for writing, you are going to practice what we did last week together. Last week we used zebras. This week we're using elephants. And then just to let you know where we're going next week. Next week you're going to get to choose your own animal, and you're going to get to do a book report, or a report, not a book report, on the animal. So this is the information sheet. I showed you this in a video last week for the zebras. You're going to use this to fill out your sentence page, and the elephants can have our eat this page. Okay, so this page helps you with this page, which you should do before this page. I didn't realize that I put them in there backwards. And then on, what's today? Tuesday. On Thursday, you'll use your elephant book and put it all together. Okay? I am excited for next week for you guys to pick your own animals and do your own reports. I hope that you guys have a great week.